medical illness, medical model, medical engineering, medical advice, medical information, medical expenditure, medical process, medical aid, medical clinic, medical error, medical observation, medical prescription, medical reason, medical sciences, medical technician, medical testing, medical work, medical examination, medical advisor, medical chart, medical laboratory, medical management, medical supervision, medical term, medical cause, medical decision, medical license, medical team, medical technique, medical terminology, medical machine, medical material, medicinal effect, medicinal product, medicinal chemistry, medicinal herbs, medicinal treatment, medicine science, medicine study, medicine man, medicine surgery, medicine technology, medicine field, medicine system, medicine care, medicine engineering, medicine association, medicine service, Mediterranean style, medium high, meet target, meet man, meet partner, member organization, member card, memory cell, memory capacity, memory bank, memory process, memory system, memory formation, memory function, memory problem, memory technique, menstrual cycle, mental process, mental state, mental problem, mental disorders, mental condition, mental activity, mental representation, mental retardation, mental service, mental functioning, mental life, mental disease, mental care, mental stress, mental ability, mental distress, mental function, mental status, mental abuse, mental imagery, mental test, mental age, mental assessment, mental development, mental discipline, mental effect, mental hospital, mental level, mental model, mental power, mental training, mental aspect, mental disposition, mental element, mental experience, mental fatigue, mental symptom, mentally ill, mentally prepare, mentally retarded, mention name, mercury content, mere presence, messenger RNA, metabolic activity, method determination, method testing, metro train, microscope slide, microscopic examination, middle income, middle ground, middleman, mild case, mild depression, mild disease, mild form, mild discomfort, mildly depressed, military hospital, military exercise, military might, military plane, military operations, military information, military staff, mind control, minded individual, mineral supplement, minimal training, minimally conscious, minimize cost, minimize stress, minimum amount, minimum requirement, minimum pressure, minor depression, minor stroke, minute detail, miracle cure, missing ingredient, mixed state, mixture material, mobile application, mobile app, mobile device, mobile camera, model study, model description, model computation, model function, model information, model training, model diagram, model element, moderate risk, moderate activity, moderate level, moderate exercise, moderate consumption, moderate number, modern computer, modern education, modern conception, modern biotechnology, modern standard, modern version, modern meaning, modest increase, modest improvement, modification mechanism, modify system, modify information, molecular analysis, molecular microbiology, monarch butterfly, monitor change, monitor progress, monitor test, monitoring treatment, monitoring level, monitoring management, monitoring progress, monogamous relationship, monopoly power. Month begin, monthly journal, monthly basis, mood disorder, mood change, mood improve, mood disturbance, mood state, moral judgment, moral sentiment, moral sense, moral principle, moral conscience, moral concept, morally wrong, more abstract, more profound, more regular, more challenging, more case, more uncertain, more enjoyable, more extraordinary, more inclined, more reliant, more satisfied, more selective, more straightforward, more stringent, more suitable, more salient, more trustworthy, more affluent, more emotional, more experience, more objective, more striking, more friendly, more healthy, more persuasive, more promising, more superficial, more training, more unequal, more trusting, more muted, more nutritious, more uncomfortable, more simple, more efficacious, more valid, morning wake, mortality risk, mosquito population, most hazardous, most reliable, most sophisticated, most professional, most challenging, most characteristic, most relevant, most responsible, most essential, most contemporary, most creative, most infectious, most mysterious, most contagious, most distressing, most inclined, most marked, most stringent, most virulent, most rare, mostly concerned, mostly positive, motor function, motor nerve, motor skill, motor system, mouth open, move left, move upwards, movement disorder, movement ability, much year, mucous membrane, multidisciplinary team, multidisciplinary approach, multiple role, multiple test, multiple perspective, multiple service, multiple structure, multiple people, multiple birth, multiple personality, municipal commission, murder case, muscle tone, muscle cell, muscle tissue, muscle contraction, muscle pain, muscle weakness, muscle mass, muscle tear, muscle relaxation, muscle disease, muscle atrophy, muscle contract, muscle spasm, muscle fatigue, muscle damage, muscle function, muscle group, muscular tension, music therapy, music appreciation, mutation breeding, mutation frequency, mutation effect, mutual respect, mutual agreement, nanotechnology research, narrative form, narrative mode, narrow margin, narrow focus, narrow passageway, nasal spray, nasal congestion, national committee, national income, national people, national institutes, national leader, national federation, national police, national honor, national capacity, national examination, national guideline, national prestige, national health, national program, national registry, national test, national intelligence, national economic, natural light, natural radiation, natural substance, natural cycle, natural variation, natural level, natural development, natural expression, natural leader, natural scientist, natural speech, natural evolution, nature nurture, nature science, nature cause, nature view, navigation system, near impossible, necessarily indicate, necessary requirement, necessary information, necessary nutrient, need sleep, need access, need experience, need knowledge, need treatment, need surgery, negative outcome, negative emotion, negative aspect, negative event, negative attitude, negative correlation, negative stereotype, negative perception, negative feeling, negative behavior, negative result, negative view, negative evaluation, negative current, negative way, negative association, negative outlook, negative affect, nerve cell, nerve impulse, nerve fiber, nerve ending, nerve activity, nerve stimulation, nerve bundle, nerve center, nerve net, nerve signal, nerve block, net gain, network link, network device, network model, network layer, neural mechanism, neural activity, neural network, neural cell, neural tube, neurological disorder, neurological examination, neurological deficit, neuroscience research, neutral expression, neutron capture, never practice, never do, never experience, never leave, never want, never occur, never satisfied. New case, new understanding, new medicine, new year, new organization, new thing, new track, new vaccine, new machine, new period, new agreement, new discipline, new guideline, new image, new paper, new position, new problem, new relationship, new service, new partner, new addition, new career, new center, new dictionary, new facility, new journal, new outbreak, new peak, new therapy, new clothes, new laboratory, newborn infant, newborn child, news agency, news show, news organization, next question, night sleep, night shift, noise level, noise barrier, normal range, normal weight, normal function, normal cell, normal tissue, normal rhythm, normal amount, normal level, normal pattern, normal behavior, normal life, normal reaction, normal functioning, normal person, normal value, normal development, normal day, normal diet, normal group, normal operation, normal people, normal position, normal price, normal time, normal phenomenon, normal pace, normally associate, normally expect, not bad. Notable contribution, notable effect, notice sign, notice anything, noticeable difference, notification system, novel type, novel concept, novel technique, novel device, novel structure, novel product, nowadays have, noxious substance, nuclear medicine, nuclear material, nuclear disarmament, numerical code, nurse practitioner, nursing home, nursing care, nursing school, nursing staff, nursing practice, nursing profession, nut oil, nutrient content, nutrient substance, nutrition science, nutrition education, nutritional status, nutritional deficiency, obese people, obesity rate, obesity problem, obesity diabetes, object recognition, object state, object complement, object relation, objective reality, objective way, objective manner, objective analysis, objective measure, objective test, objective evidence, objective method, objective aspect, obsessive love, obtain help, obtain consent, obtain certification, obvious example, obvious problem, obvious explanation, occasionally occur, occupational health, occupational stress, occupational disease, occupational exposure, occupational psychologist, occupational therapy, occupational status, offer training, offer potential, offer assistance, offer course, offer perspective, offer scholarship, offer experience, office administration, office chair, office service, office work, office visit, official name, official count, official estimate, official policy, official title, official apology, official source, official website, officially confirm, oil market, oily fish, old brother, old boy, old program, old university, old idea, old daughter, old male, old father, old machine, old memory, old mother, old version, olfactory organ, Olympic Committee, once month, once discover, one stroke, ongoing conflict, ongoing monitoring, ongoing treatment, online community, online program, online education, online retailer, online dating, only country, only field, only point, only symptom, only component, only effect, only word, only child, only process, only woman, only influence, only house, only pay, only side, only student, only candidate, onset time, open discussion, open gate, open design, open question, open-mindedness, operating room, operating field, operating table, operating theater, operation speed, operation form, operation organization, operational research, operative procedure, operative period, operative technique, opium poppy, opposite sex, opposite extreme, opposite approach, optic nerve, optical instrument, optimal level, optimal performance, optimal allocation, optimistic mood, optimum level, oral cavity, oral medication, oral exam, oral administration, oral examination, orange juice, order name, organ development, organ transplant, organ transplantation, organization form, organization system, organization name, organizational psychology, organizational structure, organizational behavior, organize event, original area, original concept, original target, original thinking, original novel, original definition, original product, original sequence, originally name, originally schedule, other indicator, other expert, other personnel, other personality, other task, other hospital, outer wall, outer covering, outer ear, outer coat, outgoing people, outpatient treatment, outpatient clinic, outpatient department, outpatient surgery, output resistance, output result, output system, outside room, outside observer, outside source, outside work, outweigh risk, overall goal, overall health, overall direction, overall perception, overall support, overall experience, overall risk, overall benefit, overall plan, overall mood, overall spending, overall state, overestimate importance, overweight people, overwhelming amount, own behavior, own mind, own research, own life, own money, own view, own condition, own goal, own strategy, own advantage, own behavior, own choice, Pacific Islanders, Pacific nation, packaging product, pain medicine, pain relief, pain sensation, painkiller, pain management, pain medication, pain control, pain reliever, pain relief, pain threshold, painful shock, paint picture, pale skin, panic buying, panic attack, paper record, paper analysis, parasite infection, parent organization, parent offspring, Parkinson disease, parliament vote, partial removal, partially closed, participation rate, particle transport, particular version, particular environment, particular function, particular disease, particular attention, particular case, particular day, particular example, particular point, particular problem, particular situation, particular risk, particular category, particular organization, particular party, particular system, particular field, particular individual, particular order, particular product, particular question, particular action, particular component, particular condition, particular stage, particular talent, particular nature, particular application, particular task, particularly sensitive, particularly challenging, particularly concerned, particularly dangerous, particularly difficult, particularly hard, particularly likely, particularly complex, particularly acute. Partly explain, partner relationship, pass test, pass examination, pass exam, passionate love, past month, past history, past experience, past week, past day, patent infringement, patent law, pathogenic mechanism, pathological gambling, pathological analysis, pathological condition, pathology laboratory, patient care, patient experience, patient family, patient suffer, patient person, patient safety, patient respond, patient clinic, patient population, pattern recognition, pattern color, pay scale, peak demand, peak time, peak experience, pediatric surgery, people go, people gain, people carry, people travel, people express, people expect, people manage, people smoke, people wait, perceive world, percent reduction, percent increase, perception system, perfect condition, perfectly healthy, perform surgery, perform test, perform exercise, perform research, perform effectively, performance anxiety, performance evaluation, performance standard, performance appraisal, periodic inspection, peripheral nerve, permanent damage, permanent effect, permanent form, permanent disability, permanent memory, persistent state, persistent fever, persistently high, person age, person experience, person say, person personality, personal social, personal growth, personal hygiene, personal identity, personal ability, personal quality, personal relationship, personal situation, personal service, personal choice, personal affection, personal care, personal development, personal history, personal problem, personal question, personal control, personal assistance, personal tax, personal level, personal responsibility, personal protection, personality disorder, personality psychology, personality type, personality change, personality structure, personality test, personality behavior, personality development, personality assessment, personality characteristic, personality difference, personality style, personnel work, personnel problem, perspective view, persuasive message, pet shop, petroleum exporting, pharmaceutical company, pharmaceutical product, pharmaceutical factory, pharmaceutical research, pharmaceutical firm, pharmaceutical manufacturing, pharmaceutical therapy, philosophical question, philosophical study, philosophical discussion, philosophical debate, philosophical issue, philosophy study, phone call, phone camera, photon emission, physical activity, physical examination, physical abuse, physical therapy, physical health, physical inactivity, physical exercise, physical restraint, physical illness, physical expression, physical fitness, physical labor, physical training, physical ailment, physical medicine, physical status, physical symptom, physical body, physical chemistry, physical dependence, physical development, physical difference, physical disability, physical exam, physical limitation, physical method, physical problem, physical sensation, physical skill, physical state, physical defect, physical disorder, physical proximity, physical size, physical therapist, physical trauma, physical education, physical attraction, physical attractiveness, physical damage, physical disease, physical entity, physical power, physical rehabilitation, physical shape, physical violence, physical work, physical affection, physical performance, physical energy, physical means, physically active, physics study, physiological need, physiological response, physiological mechanism, physiological reaction, physiological system, physiological state, physiological characteristic, physiological biochemical, physiological function, physiological activity, physiological property, physiological condition, physiological information, pig breed, pineal gland, pituitary gland, pivot point, pivotal event, pivotal figure, place order, place hand, place information, place strain, placebo effect, plague epidemic, plan future, planning evaluation, plant hormone, plastic surgery, plastic product, plastic bottle, plastic model, platonic love, pleasant thing, plentiful food, poison gas, police department, police agency, police authority, police training, policy institute, polio vaccine, polio vaccination, political analyst, political controversy, political interference, political response, politically controversial, pollution water, polyunsaturated fat, pool area, poor diet, poor sleep, poor sanitation, poor planning, poor hygiene, poor translation, poor choice, popular perception, popular topic, popular choice, popular model, population fall, population control, population study, population management, population survey, population issue, portable device, portable apparatus, portable machine, position requirement, positive affect, positive psychology, positive association, positive attitude, positive event, positive evidence, positive experience, positive environment, positive balance, positive behavior, positive outcome, positive people, positive relationship, positive change, positive influence, positive mood, positive current, positive emotion, positive image, positive sense, positive test, positive report, positive assessment, positive growth, positive information, positive pull, positive approach, possibility increase, possible risk, possible value, possible method, possible advantage, possible alternative, possible combination, possible reason, possible user, post-training, post-treatment, post-operative, post-stroke, postdoctoral fellow, posterior wall, postgraduate training, postgraduate study, postoperative care, potato chip, potential application, potential consequence, potential advantage, potential harm, potential issue, potential candidate, potential contribution, potential target, potential treatment, potential cure, potential difference, potential hazard, potential exposure, potential barrier, potential complication, potential cost, potential product, potential control, potential study, potentially lethal, potentially beneficial, potentially catastrophic, potentially dangerous, potentially deadly, potentially fatal, potentially useful, potentially severe, pounding heart, poverty rate, power ability, powerful tool, powerful microscope, powerful drug, practical effect, practical experience, practical importance, practical issue, practical training, practice medicine, practice pattern, practice result, practice analysis, practice time, practice case, practice guidelines, practice field, practice standard, practice teaching, practice technique, pragmatic approach, praise work, precautionary measure, precisely define, precision measure, predict risk, predictable pattern, predictable response, predictive value, preferred method, pregnant woman, preliminary result, preliminary evidence, preliminary investigation, preliminary information, preliminary research, preliminary structure, preliminary trial, premature baby, premature mortality, premature delivery, Premier League, prenatal exposure, preschool age, preschool child, prescribed medication, prescription drug, present risk, present threat, present way, present people, present system, present number, present age, president declare, presidential campaign, press coverage, pressure measurement, pressure measure, pressure fall, pressure rise, pressure index, pressure monitor, pressure stress, pressure drop, pressure regulation, pressure reduction, pressure resistance, pressure management, pressure monitoring, pressure vessel, prevent stroke, prevent transmission, prevent death, prevent development, prevent interference, prevent decay, prevent illness, prevent injury, prevent spread, prevent contamination, prevent complication, prevent obesity, prevent occurrence, prevent movement, prevent recurrence, prevent depression, prevent progression, prevent abuse, preventable death, preventable diseases, preventable disease, preventative measure, prevention program, prevention diagnosis, prevention method, prevention measure, prevention policy, prevention effect, preventive measure, preventive care, preventive effect, preventive medicine, preventive strategy, previous month, previous history, previous event, previous knowledge, previous relationship, previous version, previous edition, previous conviction, previously report, price promotion, primary color, primary area, primary emotion, primary function, primary mechanism, primary reason, primary system, primary point, primary example, primary influence, primary research, primary importance, primary cell, primary characteristic, primary disease, primary level, primary diagnosis, prime importance, principal function, principal technique, principal system, printing material, prior experience, prior knowledge, prior study, prior year, prior authorization, prior commitment, prior right, priority system, prison guard, prison system, privacy concern, privacy issue, private insurance, private information, private practice, private room, private clinic, privileged position, probably choose, probably discuss, problem people, problem understanding, problem exist, problem type, process technology, process patent, process engineering, process testing, process requirement, processing function, processing system, processing mechanism, processing information, processing practice, produce evidence, produce hormone, produce output, product development, product placement, product code, product cycle, product label, product purchase, product system, product engineering, product feature, product safety, product evaluation, production facility, production release, production storage, production loss, production way, production trial, professional association, professional development, professional education, professional plan, professional practice, professional qualification, professional service, professional psychology, professional degree, professional experience, professional course, professional use, professional setting, professional ethics, professional personnel, professional ethic, profit cost, program work, program evaluation, program officer, program cost, program training, program analysis, progress further, prohibit use, project center, project department, project program, project structure, promote efficiency, promote learning, promote relaxation, promote sleep, promoter region, promotional campaign, prompt development, proper choice, proper care, proper placement, proper diet, proper management, proper regulation, proper identification, properly inform, propose legislation, prospective study, prostate cancer, protect health, protect public, protect user, protect vulnerable, protect consumer, protection issue, protection service, protection purpose, protective effect, protective barrier, protective equipment, protective immunity, protective shell, protein molecule, protein structure, provide treatment, proximate cause, psychiatric disorder, psychiatric treatment, psychiatric hospital, psychiatric illness, psychiatric diagnosis, psychiatric condition, psychiatric assessment, psychiatric nurse, psychiatric ward, psychiatric care, psychiatric problem, psychiatric symptom, psychoactive drug, psychological association, psychological research, psychological assessment, psychological testing, psychological science, psychological study, psychological trait, psychological process, psychological experiment, psychological theory, psychological problem, psychological test, psychological warfare, psychological aspect, psychological condition, psychological intervention, psychological stress, psychological activity, psychological education, psychological health, psychological phenomenon, psychological state, psychological symptom, psychological training, psychological concept, psychological distress, psychological need, psychological perspective, psychological situation, psychology study, psychology sociology, psychology professor, psychology behavior, psychology class, public official, public area, public controversy, public gathering, public hospital, public announcement, public image, public reaction, public speaking, public letter, public agency, public authority, public communication, public emergency, publish story, publish detail, publishing company, pulse pressure, pulse rate, pump blood, punch card, purchase product, purchase decision, purchase goods, pure science, purely physical, qualified candidate, qualified expert, qualify standard, qualitative research, qualitative method, quality management, quality assurance, quality issue, quality measure, quality requirement, quality review, quality training, quantification analysis, quantitative research, quantitative model, quantitative measurement, quantum entanglement, question research, quick response, quickly eliminate, quickly enter, quickly scan, quiet environment, quiet room, quit smoking. Quite often, quite likely, quite unfamiliar, racial origin, racial prejudice, racist abuse, radiation therapy, radiation protection, radiation dose, radiation source, radiation poisoning, radiation exposure, radiation treatment, radiation beam, radical difference, radioactive substance, radioactive contamination, radioactive source, radioactive dust, raise rate, raise point, raise risk, raise arm, raise consciousness, random error, random sampling, random mutation, random fashion, random allocation, randomly assign, range extension, rank level, rank number, rapid response, rapid decrease, rapid breathing, rapidly spread, rapidly identify, rare form, rare disorder, rare condition, rare exception, rare talent, rare disease, rarely see, rarely occur, rarely cause, rate limiting, rating scale, rational approach, rational choice, re-examination, reach consensus, react strongly, react accordingly, reaction time, reactive oxygen, read paper, read review, read map, reading level, reading test, reading meter, reading instruction, real event, real difference, real increase, real information, real person, reality principle, realize dream, realize something, really understand, reason change, reasonable level, rebound effect, recall word, receive care, receive information, receive training, receive input, receive request, receive application, receive hospital, recent advancement, recent acquisition, recent publication, recent review, recent edition, recent onset, recognition measurement, recognition problem, recommend people, reconstruction surgery, reconstructive surgery, record event, recover fully, recovery plan, recovery process, recovery period, recovery area, recruit people, recurrent stroke, recurrent miscarriage, red cell, red meat, red eye, reduce intake, reduce error, reduce vulnerability, reduce anxiety, reduce capacity, reduce fever, reduce interference, reduce harm, reduce spending, reduce depression, reduce appetite, reduce fatigue, reduce pain, reduce reliance, reduce accumulation, reduce inflammation, reduce damage, reduce transmission, reduce bias, reduce cholesterol, reduced output, reduction method, reduction rate, reference system, reference value, reference range, reference literature, reference period, regain popularity, regard issue, regional office, regional airline, regular use, regular schedule, regularly use, regulate behavior, regulate mood, regulation system, regulation limit, regulation engineering, regulatory authority, regulatory requirement, regulatory body, regulatory effect, regulatory approval, regulatory mechanism, regulatory system, regulatory control, regulatory organization, rehabilitation service, rehabilitation program, rehabilitation center, rehabilitation process, related factor, related job, related behavior, related law, related event, related function, related state, related degree, related object, related cause, related mechanism, related policy, relation expression, relationship satisfaction, relationship development, relationship last, relative risk, relative effectiveness, relatively harmless, relatively insignificant, relatively wide, relatively benign, relatively mild, relatively neutral, relatively positive, relaxation therapy, relaxation technique, relay information, relay signal, release hormone, release information, release document, relevant area, relevant study, relevant authority, relevant regulation, relevant topic, relevant standard, relevant situation, reliability validity, reliable indicator, reliable way, reliable result, reliably predict, relieve pressure, relieve symptom, relieve suffering, relieve anxiety, relieve tension, religious experience, remain challenge, remain competitive, remain indifferent, remain outside, remain optimistic, remember information, remember well, remotely control, renal failure, repair mechanism, repair process, repeat again, repeat word, repetitive strain, replace function, replace method, replacement therapy, report result, report recommend, report concern, report declare, report work, report center, report calm, report highlight, report symptom, representative sampling, reproductive organ, reproductive system, reproductive function, reproductive medicine, reproductive process, reproductive health, reputable organization, request assistance, require training, require expertise, require information, require action, require investigation, require access, require surgery, require protection, require approval, required training, research finding, research practice, research support, research report, research explore, research group, research paper, research stage, research funding, research purpose, research reveal, research tool, research proceed, research strategy, research subject, research office, research scholar, research activity, research job, research production, research way, resident physician, resistance change, resistance pressure, resolve problem, resonance imaging, resource availability, respiration rate, respiratory syndrome, respiratory system, respiratory rate, respiratory failure, respiratory illness, respiratory infection, respiratory distress, respond accordingly, response system, response signal, response rate, response time, response type, rest home, restore sequence, restore health, restrict movement, restricted range, result demonstrate, result assessment, retail sector, retain ownership, retirement home, retirement planning, retrieval process, return way, reverse direction, reverse process, reverse effect, reverse order, reverse engineering, review board, review report, review analysis, review result, review committee, review research, reward money, rheumatic fever, rheumatoid arthritis, rhythmic movement, rhythmic motion, rib cage, rich experience, right arm, right hemisphere, right leg, right combination, right deviation, right brain, right person, right thing, right question, rights legislation, rights advocate, rigid structure, rigorous process, rigorous standard, ring structure, ring finger, ripple effect, rise gradually, risk assessment, risk death, risk classification, risk score, risk estimate, risk perception, risk problem, risk behavior, risk benefit, risk control, risk level, risk aversion, risk group, risky behavior, road accident, road sign, robotic technology, robotic system, rock concert, role-playing, romantic relationship, romantic love, romantic attachment, room rate, rough approximation, roughly comparable, routine use, routine testing, routine examination, rubber glove, rudimentary understanding, runny nose, Russian president, Russian army, safe environment, safe way, safe level, safe procedure, safely use, safety concern, safety factor, safety performance, safety risk, safety device, safety management, safety prevention, safety rule, safety feature, safety criterion, safety accident, saline solution, salivary gland, salt intake, same behavior, same color, same principle, same race, same meaning, same people, same phenomenon, same range, same response, same signal, same orientation, same relationship, same table, same substance, same authority, same cluster, same degree, same outcome, same procedure, same aim, same feeling, same definition, sample size, sampling error, sampling procedure, satisfaction level, satisfactorily explain, satisfy hunger, satisfy need, saturated fat, saturation level, save time, say something, say time, scale down, scale testing, scar tissue, scarlet fever, schema design, schematic diagram, schematic representation, scholarly discussion, scholarship student, school administrator, school personnel, school counselor, school organization, school clinic, school time, school violence, science course, science knowledge, science subject, science teaching, science writing, science development, scientific medicine, scientific inquiry, scientific term, scientific concept, scientific problem, scientific effort, scientific review, scientific hypothesis, scientific establishment, scientific information, scientific meeting, scientific perspective, scientific way, scientific team, scientific competence, scientifically accurate, scientifically valid, scoring system, scorpion venom, screen test, screen show, screening test, screening method, see route, search information, seasonal pattern, second year, second cause, second law, second person, second question, second hand, second volume, second aspect, second element, secondary source, secondary injury, secure base, security expert, security device, security feature, security stability, security support, sedative effect, see opportunity, see dentist, see sign, seek treatment, seek approval, seek answer, seem easy, seem inevitable, seemingly contradictory, select committee, selection theory, self-concept, self-conscious, self-efficacy, self-consciousness, self-help, self-perception, self-regulation, self-control, self-disclosure, self-management, self-reflection, self-identity, self-serve, self-recognition, self-organization, self-study, self-certification, self-care, self-evaluate, self-responsibility, self-selection, self-treatment, self-experience, self-growth, self-love, senior year, senior team, sense organ, sensory system, sensory perception, sensory nerve, sentencing hearing, separate object, separate way, separate part, separate task, separate source, separate technology, separation anxiety, sequence structure, series study, series test, serious case, serious condition, serious question, serious doubt, serious complication, serious illness, serious injury, serious event, serious expression, serious discussion, serious outbreak, serious symptom, serious life, serious offense, serious bleeding, seriously consider, seriously ill, seriously sick, serve well, service agency, service administration, service center, service quality, service line, service people, service provider, service activity, service condition, service cost, service range, service client, set procedure, set question, several advantage, several technique, several project, several program, several issue, severe case, severe disruption, severe disease, severe illness, severe damage, severe problem, severe complication, severe headache, severe disability, severe stress, severe diarrhea, severe strain, severely ill, severely impact, severely autistic, severely lacking, sex hormone, sex difference, sex partner, sex organ, sex behavior, sex ratio, sex act, sex chromosome, sexual orientation, sexual partner, sexual activity, sexual attraction, sexual arousal, sexual abuse, sexual stimulation, sexual behavior, sexual preference, sexual desire, sexual development, sexual excitement, sexual experience, sexual instinct, sexual relation, sexual transmission, sexual function, sexual repression, shake hand, shape information, shape recognition, shape shifting, share food, share profit, share program, shark fin, sharp fall, shift attention, shift work, shopping center, shopping area, shopping mall, short length, short sleep, short sequence, short video, short supply, short cycle, short history, short leg, short stature, short wave, short month, short effect, short temper, short fuse, short letter, shortened time, shoulder injury, show symptom, show ability, show affection, show improvement, show superiority, show empathy, show promise, show emotion, shy person, sibling relationship, sick people, sick leave, signal transmit, signal process, signal system, signal amplification, signal device, signal sequence, signal type, significant problem, significant risk, significant benefit, significant improvement, significant research, significant rise, significant cost, significant reduction, significant support, significant disruption, significant evidence, significant burden, significant cause, significant decline, significant obstacle, significantly expand, significantly limit, silent partner, silicon chip, silkworm, similar response, similar behavior, similar fashion, similar argument, similar finding, similar view, similar measure, similar personality, similar pronunciation, similar issue, similar state, simple movement, simple device, simple explanation, simple task, simple thing, simple procedure, simple element, simple enough, simple approach, simple change, simple version, simple demonstration, simple principle, simply explain, simply mean, simply know, simply reflect, simply repeat, simply avoid, single cell, single dose, single copy, single word, single use, single market, single neuron, single chamber, single activity, single parent, single pattern, single time, situation occur, situation arise, situational factor, size measurement, skeletal muscle, skeletal structure, skeletal system, skill develop, skilled workforce, skin lesion, skin rash, skin surface, skin tissue, skin care, skin disorder, skin layer, skull fracture, sleep disorder, sleep apnea, sleep time, sleep quality, sleep aid, sleep deprivation, sleep disturbance, sleep hour, sleep cycle, sleep period, sleep problem, sleep pattern, sleep phase, sleep night, sleep disruption, sleep research, sleep schedule, sleep duration, sleep deficit, sleep specialist, sleep state, sleep well, sleep loss, sleeping pill, sleeping disorder, sleeping position, sleeping tablet, slight alteration, slight delay, slight effect, slightly warm, slightly acidic, slightly soluble, slow onset, slow recovery, slow time, slow response, slow pace, slow walk, small intestine, small box, small circle, small incision, small cart, small decrease, small degree, small light, small radius, small nation, small favor, small risk, small plaque, smallpox vaccination, smallpox vaccine, smart technology, smell food, smoke cigarette, smoke tobacco, smoking habit, smoking cessation, smooth muscle, so necessary, so steady, so beneficial, soap opera, social psychologist, social influence, social worker, social cognition, social study, social communication, social support, social exchange, social cost, social stigma, social disruption, social aspect, social relationship, social attitude, social connection, social integration, social research, social perception, social comparison, social contact, social action, social area, social benefit, social bond, social bonding, social convention, social experience, social information, social model, social pattern, social tie, social club, social dominance, social outcome, social interest, social care, social distance, social nature, social recognition, social view, social harmony, social idea, social marketing, social obligation, social phobia, social alienation, social category, social consequence, social creature, social association, social withdrawal, social anxiety, social disease, social surrounding, social experiment, social issues, social evaluation, socialist movement, socially acceptable, socially unacceptable, societal change, society work, society member, society study, society support, society need, sociology psychology, soft drink, software development, software code, soil protection, solid support, solid form, soluble substance, something happen, somewhat analogous, somewhat arbitrary, somewhat ambiguous, sophisticated technique, sore throat, sound wave, sound similar, sound advice, sound calm, sound footing, sound quality, sound level, sound signal, sound sleep, sound source, source link, sovereign rating, Spanish flu, spatial separation, speak Chinese, special program, special property, special concern, special consideration, special population, special difficulty, special area, special care, special equipment, special experience, special facility, special focus, special meeting, special need, special requirement, special role, special treatment, special test, special phenomenon, specialist training, specialist care, specialized training, specialized area, specialized form, specialty area, specific protein, specific gene, specific pattern, specific response, specific case, specific behavior, specific disease, specific amount, specific test, specific task, specific action, specific issue, specific level, specific meaning, specific object, specific part, specific question, specific recommendation, specific target, specific order, specific definition, specific device, specific position, specific date, specific language, specific sector, specific aspect, specific component, specific duty, specific focus, specific link, specific nature, specific service, specific situation, specific structure, specific topic, specific treatment, specific diagnosis, specific immunity, specific range, specific relationship, specific section, specific source, specifically related, specified period, specified text, speech therapy, speech disorder, speech impairment, speech therapist, speech information, spillover, spinal cord, spinal injury, spinal nerve, spiritual belief, spiritual power, spiritual guidance, spiritual system, spiritual consciousness, spontaneous activity, spontaneous recovery, sport medicine, sport exercise, sport injury, sport event, sport team, sport game, sport science, sport education, sporting event, sports field, sports exercise, spread virus, spread message, spread news, spread information, spread risk, square root, stable relationship, stable time, stable level, stand building, standard protocol, standard technique, standard text, standard textbook, standard treatment, standard care, standard device, standard score, standard layout, standard process, standard control, standard behavior, standard report, standard terminology, standing committee, state board, state hospital, stated purpose, statistical significance, statistical model, statistical power, statistical testing, statistical evidence, status indicator, status information, stay awake, stay home, stay close, stay healthy, stay outside, stay ahead, stay night, steady rise, steam whistle, stem cell, stem length, step stone, step ahead, step ladder, stick head, stiff competition, still regard, still useful, still interested, stimulate production, stimulate brain, stimulate appetite, stimulate thinking, stimulus control, stir up, stock index, stomach cancer, stomach intestine, stop smoking, stop activity, stop sign, stop drinking, stop breathing, storage device, storage cost, storage life, storage battery, storage type, store information, store process, straight man, straight chain, straightforward way, strain capacity, strange situation, strange dream, strategic move, strategic purpose, strategy control, strategy management, street close, strength endurance, strep throat, stress strain, stress response, stress disorder, stress hormone, stress problem, stress testing, stress control, stress function, stress model, stress management, stress relief, stress pattern, stress status, stressful situation, stressful event, strict guideline, strict requirement, strict diet, strict standard, strict separation, strict schedule, strictly limited, strikingly similar, stringent regulation, stroke prevention, stroke volume, stroke risk, stroke treatment, stroke patient, strong sense, strong response, strong alliance, strong association, strong attitude, strong feeling, strong friendship, strong opinion, strong reaction, strong awareness, strong bone, strong preference, strong basis, strong memory, strongly recommend, strongly suspect, structural feature, structural integrity, structural defect, structural variation, structure base, structure stability, structure variation, student major, student debt, study literature, study psychology, study theory, study philosophy, study explore, study increase, study condition, study difference, study place, study mathematics, subconscious mind, subconscious level, subjective experience, subjective feeling, subjective aspect, subjective awareness, subjective consciousness, subjective element, subjective assessment, subsequent event, subsequent research, subsequent section, substantial portion, substantial contribution, substantial evidence, substantial fraction, substantially less, subtle difference, success rate, successful career, successful completion, successful conclusion, successful relationship, successful application, successfully pass, successfully predict, such practice, such therapy, such value, such criticism, such intervention, such confusion, such failure, such place, such word, such difficulty, such impact, sudden death, sudden onset, sudden outburst, sudden drop, suddenly realize, suffer injury, suffer illness, sufficient evidence, sufficient rest, sufficient sleep, sufficient condition, sufficiently powerful, sugar level, sugar intake, sugary drink, suicidal thought, suicidal tendency, suicide rate, suicide attempt, suit purpose, suitable material, suitable treatment, sum total, superior skill, supervision department, supply shortage, supply blood, supply product, supply control, support resource, support function, support process, support equipment, support link, supportive network, suppress appetite, surface coating, surgeon general, surgery technique, surgery practice, surgical procedure, surgical instrument, surgical removal, surgical technique, surgical treatment, surgical operation, surgical wound, surgical mask, surgical team, surgical method, surgical patient, surgical intervention, surgical ward, surgical practice, surgical emergency, surrogate mother, surveillance device, survey research, survey question, survey questionnaire, survival skill, survival advantage, survival instinct, survive accident, suspension test, sustainable approach, sustained release, sweet drink, sweet taste, swine flu, switch on, switch off, switching function, symptom occur, symptom develop, system process, system level, system structure, system component, system response, system fail, system unit, system computer, system device, system mechanism, system processing, system combination, system failure, system interaction, system problem, system requirement, system principle, system examination, system protection, systematic error, tacit agreement, tackle subject, tai chi, take medication, take examination, take class, take dose, take exam, take credit, take fall, take perspective, take aspirin, take pleasure, take delivery, take remedy, talented woman, tall building, tangible way, take recorder, target population, target audience, target organ, target market, target therapy, target location, target region, target site, target treatment, task design, task difficulty, task completion, taste bud, tax cost, teacher education, teaching research, teaching hospital, teaching management, teaching purpose, team member, team approach, team organization, technical way, technical method, technical barrier, technique work, technique training, technique problem, technique development, technology develop, technology assessment, technology transfer, technology development, technology device, teenage pregnancy, television news, television show, television interview, television reporter, television screen, temperature elevation, temporarily close, temporary closure, temporary power, 10-minute, tense situation, tepid water, terminal illness, termination point, test result, test indicate, test method, test subject, test condition, test model, test measure, test function, test center, test field, test report, test ability, test activity, test content, test procedure, test reliability, testing method, testing facility, testing approach, testing model, testing part, testing activity, testing control, text message, text messaging, that decide, then hold, then let, then write, theoretical framework, theoretical perspective, theoretical analysis, theoretical physicist, theoretical discussion, theoretical justification, theoretical training, theoretical frame, theoretical knowledge, theory research, therapeutic benefit, therapeutic value, therapeutic application, therapeutic effectiveness, therapy method, therapy device, thermal shock, thick line, thin slice, thin man, thing seam, think differently, thinking change, thorough knowledge, thought change, $1,000, threshold level, thyroid hormone, thyroid gland, time zone, timely treatment, tiny baby, tiptoe, tissue sample, tissue engineering, tissue culture, tissue section, tissue structure, tobacco use, tobacco smoking, tobacco smoke, tobacco control, tobacco plant, toilet paper, too extreme, too soft, too fast, too scared, too young, too thirsty, tool design, top management, top area, tort law, total time, total consumption, total factor, touch surface, toxic effect, toy train, track progress, trade association, trade development, trade negotiation, trade dispute, trading route, traditional lifestyle, traditional understanding, traditional research, traditional test, traditional breeding, traditional model, traditional play, tragic event, trained staff, trained personnel, training program, training model, training expertise, training program, training specialty, training experience, training system, training regime, training certification, training standard, training institution, training personnel, training administration, training practice, training procedure, training staff, trans fat, transcription factor, transform information, transform system, transfusion medicine, translation activity, transmission model, transmission system, transmit malaria, transplant surgery, transport capacity, transport chain, transport hub, transport method, transport blood, trauma care, traumatic event, travel abroad, travel ban, travel outside, treat patient, treat cancer, treat people, treat depression, treat injury, treat infection, treat child, treat friend, treat pain, treat infertility, treat schizophrenia, treatable condition, treatment program, treatment option, treatment center, treatment regimen, treatment strategy, treatment modality, treatment procedure, treatment effect, treatment research, treatment equipment, treatment method, treatment plan, treatment evaluation, treatment outcome, treatment unit, treatment condition, treatment work, treatment control, treatment quality, trend change, trend curve, trial result, trial use, trial research, trial group, tribal society, trigger response, trigger system, tropical disease, tropical medicine, true meaning, true cause, truly represent, trust relationship, tumor growth, tumor tissue, tumor type, type analysis, typical behavior, typical state, typical situation, typical environment, typically contain, typographical error, ultimate challenge, ultimately achieve, ultrasound scan, ultrasound machine, uncertain situation, uncomfortable situation, unconscious mind, unconscious process, under scrutiny, under consideration, under evaluation, underdeveloped country, undergo surgery, undergo test, undergo training, undergo treatment, undergraduate study, undergraduate level, undergraduate education, undergraduate school, underlying condition, underlying structure, underlying assumption, underlying factor, underlying problem, underlying reason, underlying motivation, underlying theme, underlying issue, understand nature, understand importance, understand language, understand situation, understand information, understand feeling, understand point, undesirable effect, undeveloped country, uneasy balance, unemployment insurance, unequal treatment, unexpected way, unfortunately show, unhealthy diet, unhealthy behavior, unhealthy food, unifying theme, unimportant fact, unintentional injury, union federation, unique aspect, unique challenge, unique pattern, unique type, unique advantage, unique effect, unique experience, unique status, unique mechanism, unique case, unique identification, unique process, unique ingredient, unit mass, unity consciousness, universal recognition, universal law, universal coverage, universally valid, university hospital, university student, university researcher, university project, university setting, unknown origin, unknown cause, unknown author, unlimited supply, unlimited number, unmet need, unnecessary use, unnecessary expense, unpleasant task, unrealistic expectation, unrequited love, unresolved problem, unsaturated fat, unstable condition, unusual ability, unusual behavior, unusual kind, unusually long, unusually tall. Upper limb, upper jaw, upper extremity, urban poverty, urgent care, urgent attention, urgently need, urinary incontinence, urinary tract, urine analysis. Urine production, usage period, use intelligence, use manual, use frequently, use hardware, use jargon, use gun, use robot, use contraception. Useful help, useful method, useful technique, useful framework, user manual, usual rate, usual care, usual number, usual treatment, usually mean. Usually last, usually follow, vaccinate people, vaccination program, vaccination schedule, vaccination campaign, vaccine development, vaccine production, vaccine safety, vaccine supply. Vaccine trial, vacuum system, value judgment, value conflict, value measurement, variable condition, variant type, various role, various concentration, vegetarian food. Vehicle crash, vehicle collision, vehicle equipment, venereal disease, venture capital, verbal behavior, verbal report, verbal communication, verbal expression, verbal abuse. Verbal explanation, verbal skill, version, very basic, very costly, very easy, very precise, very serious, very thankful, very disturbing. Very miserable, very uncommon, very attentive, very brief, very mild, very sweet, very valuable, very delicate, very hostile, very safe. Very vivid, very frail, very interactive, very prominent, very consistent, very experienced, very abstract, vessel disease, vessel wall, veterinary school. Veterinary clinic, veterinary surgeon, via internet, vigorous exercise, vigorous activity, violence crime, violence prevention, violent action, violent incident, viral disease. Viral infection, viral gene, virtual reality, virtually unlimited, virtually impossible, virulent form, virus spread, virus infection, virus vaccine, virus transmission. Vision loss, visit place, visit doctor, visual cue, visual field, visual element, visual representation, visual area, visual image, visual perception. Visual stimulus, visual information, visual test, visual evidence, visual texture, vital sign, vital component, vital organ, vital information, vital process. Vitamin deficiency, vitamin intake, vivid dream, vivid description, vocational guidance, voluntary movement, volunteer staff, volunteer service, voting record, vulnerable area. Wake early, walk outside, walking speed, warm bath, warning sign, warp speed, wash hand, wash water, wash thoroughly, waste energy. Waste effort, watch news, watch television, watch TV, water bird, waterproof layer, wave pattern, wave measurement, wear shirt, wear off. Wear glasses, web page, weekly report, weigh benefit, weight loss, weight gain, weight control, weight increase, weight average, weight distribution. Weighted average, welfare state, welfare service, well treat, well feed, well perform, well take, well ventilate, well ventilated, Western medicine. When travel, when charge, whereby, white rice, white cell, white noise, white mouse, white community, white supremacy, white powder. Whole universe, whole class, whole experience, wholesale market, wide call, wide association, wide scope, wide spectrum, wide interval, widespread, wide participation, wide deployment, widely apply, widely variable, wider context, widespread interest, widespread availability, widespread appeal, widespread feeling, wield influence, wild type, window display, wine tasting, witch doctor, with emotion, with pleasure, with dignity, with satisfaction, with integrity, withdraw troops, withdrawal period, withdrawal symptom, without meaning, without explanation, without difficulty, without question, without care, without delay, without experience, without bias, witness stand, woman doctor, wonder drug, word order, word describe, word combination, word recognition, work environment, work organization, work efficiently, workability, work shift, work standard, work stress, work motivation, work practice, work schedule, work today, work accident, work initiative, work assignment, work fast, work outside, working memory, working area, working day, working knowledge, working week, workplace violence, workplace stress, workplace safety, world association, world assembly, world problem, world program, world trend, world scale, worldwide ban, worldwide distribution, wand healing, wand heal, wrap up, wrong answer, wrong way, x-axis, year program, yearly progress, yield prediction, yoga meditation, young scientist, young bird, young female, young audience, youth suicide, youth age,